Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is titration, and in this presentation I will teach you what is titration, instrument used in titration, and methods, different types of method used in the titration. Titration is the quantitative volumetric method in which we determine the concentration of a substance by reacting it with another substance of known concentration. In this process, the titrant, which is known, is slowly added from a burette into conical flask while continuously mixing so that a solution is formed. When the solution reaches equilibrium, it gives a definite completion point which is indicated by an indicator or the specific color change, etc. The instruments used in titration are mentioned in this diagram, which are burettes, pipettes, graduated cylinder, and graduated cylinder is used to measure the analyte, and a conical flask to keep the analyte. These tools are very important, which ensures the accurate measurement and control of liquids for determining concentration in chemical reactions. Okay, here is the titration method, how the titration is conducted. First step is preparation. Begin by preparing the solution which to be titrated, ensuring the accurately measured in a conical flask. This sets the foundation for precise titration results. The second is add titrant. Gradually add the titrant from the burette to the solution while continuously stirring. This careful process ensures even distribution and accurate measurement of the reaction. The third one is monitor. Closely observe the reaction as the titrant is added. Look for the color change because this when the endpoints come, this change the color quickly. So the constant monitoring is very important. The fourth step is determine. Once the endpoint is reached as indicated by a stable color change, record the volume of the titrant used by seeing the scale on the burette. How much titrant is added to the analyte. This data is very important for calculating the concentration of the known solution. There are four different types of titration methods. The first one is acid-base titration. In this type of titrations, the titrant may be an acid or a base, and the analyte will be its opposite, acid or base. Okay. In this type of titration, the endpoint is indicated by the change in the pH or the change in the color of the solution. When the neutralization reaction occurs, the acid and base become neutralized and salt is formed. The second one is redox titration. In this type of titration, the analyte the unknown concentration of analyte is determined by reacting with a standard solution titrant to electron transfer. It involves simultaneous oxidation and reduction. The endpoint is indicated using a redox indicator, a potentiometer, or a self indicator that shows a color change, like potassium manganate is used as a self indicator. Third one is precipitation titration. In this type of titrations, when the titrant is mixed with the analyte, the endpoint is indicated when the precipitates are formed in the solutions. These are basically used to identify the halide ions, determine the halide ions through the use of silver nitrate. And the fourth one is complexic titration. This titration is also called kilatometry. Is a volumetric analyte. Kilatometry or chilatometry is a volumetric analytical method used to measure the concentration of a metal ions in a solution. It works by forming stable water-soluble complex compounds between the metal ions and a chelating agent, most commonly ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Thank you so much for listening my lecture, and if you find it helpful, then Like, subscribe, and share this lecture. Thank you.